Hello, welcome to Virgo Philippines. So, ito yung reading natin for Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgos. Take only what resonates. Hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat. Unfortunately, hindi ko talaga makuha lahat ng energy ng Virgo sa mundo. So, anyway, sa mga hindi pa po nakaka-subscribe, subscribe na lang kayo guys. And hopefully, mag-subscribe din kayo or mag-follow din kayo dun sa ibang channel namin or dun sa ibang ways kung paano kami mag-follow like Facebook, Instagram. Ayan. So, let's start. Sa Facebook, guys, Madam Space P, as in princess. And then, lagyan mo na lang din ng space pa sa dulo para mas madali mo kami ma-search. And then, sa TikTok naman, Unicorn Princess Tarot. Yan. Yan yung aming TikTok. For Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgos. Messages for Virgos. Shuffle ko lang yung cards ko. Sana mag-comment kayo sa baba kasi sobrang appreciate ko yun. Kung ayaw nyo ng ganitong klaseng reading, hindi mo po kayo pinipilit, pwede kayo mag-next video. Okay, so let's start for the sign of Virgo. Okay. You do have here the Seven of Swords. Okay. So, nakikita natin you're walking away from something. Meron kang iniiwasan, nilalayuan. And maybe because you are, focusing sa iyong goals, what you want with the star. Ito yung bagay na gusto mo talaga. So, meron kang bagay na parang kailangan i-sacrifice. Or yung iba sa inyo, vice versa. There is something na bagay na gusto mo. Or maybe a person na gusto mo. Pero ngayon, parang you're walking away or umiiwas, lumalayo ka na dito sa taong ito or hindi ka na nag-e-expect. You know what I mean? And then, kasi with the Four of Cups, pwedeng kaya mo ginagawa yun kasi parang hindi ka na sigurado. Parang with the Strength card, especially kung medyo mas pinofocus or ang mas pinipili mo is yung mas something na parang mas matibay or mas may mas solid. Ngayon yung mas madaling ilagay sa reality. Yun yung focus mo. And then, sino to person nakakonect mo pagdating sa love? For the sign of Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgos, person nakakonect mo pagdating sa love. Medyo nagugulo yung cards, guys. Nahirapan akong kumuha ng card. Naglalaglagan siya sa kamay ko. Ten of Pentacles, Three of Wands. I feel like this person miss you. Miss you and I don't know kung sino sa inyo may money, may pera. Pero parang hoping itong person na to, especially kung nasa side mo yung part na yun, na ikaw yung may kakayahan na tumulong sa kanya. So, itong person na to is like thinking about you and then hoping siya na mabago yung situation niya by the help of you. Parang somehow ikaw yung makakatulong sa kanya para mabago yung sitwasyon niya. But if ever na siya yung may money, then maybe you like the person or kaya ka umiiwas or lumalayo dito sa kung ano man or kung nasaan ka man because nakikita mo na yung potential is nandito sa person na to. Okay? So, ano yung emotion mo sa isa't isa? For the sign of Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgo, please. Emotion ninyo sa isa't isa. The Hermit, this is you, Virgo. Four of Cups. Some of you parang hindi ka na kasi talaga sure kung nasaan ka na ngayon. Like, The hermit, alam mo yung literal na hermit crabs, they do have their own shell. Pero, once na yung hermit crabs is kailangan na niyang na-outgrown niya na yung shell niya. Yung parang kailangan niya na lumipat kasi masyado na masikip yung shell niya para sa kanya. Andun yung alis na lang ako, lipat na ako kasi kailangan ko mag-grow. And that is what you are thinking right now. Parang gusto mong umalis sa situation na meron ka kasi gusto mo naman mag-grow. Gusto mo naman na hindi naman dahil sa ayaw mong alisan talaga yung situation mo. Ay, hindi naman sa dahil gusto mo naman talagang alisan yung situation mo. It's just that hindi mo na kasi nakikita na magiging okay or mag-grow ka pa dyan. So, you want growth and might be this is the number one reason kung bakit gusto mo ng, and some of you do have choices. Yan, pagdating sa love. I feel like some of you ayaw kang i-let go or may dahilan kung ba't hindi ka makaalis pa dyan sa sitwasyon mo. Emosyon ng person na kakonect mo. Emosyon ng person na kakonect mo for the sign of Virgo. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgo. Isang shuffle na lang. Okay, thank you, Spirit guys, Angel guys. Emosyon ng person na kakonect mo. Okay. You do have here the Knight of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Seven of Wands. This person is very passionable. Alam mo yun, yung parang tipong sobrang gusto ka niya, parang ganun. Na willing siyang mag-take ng risk sa'yo with a full. I mean, normally, hindi siya ganito. Once na nakakita siya ng problem, well, I can see some of you may problem yung connection. Parang, hindi siya para i-pursue or i-push yun. No? But, for what I can see here, the Justice card, yung iba sa inyo, parang itong taon to, parang siya yung tipo na tao, hindi ako natatakot makulong. Sige lang, go. Push ko to. Yan. So, what will happen in the near future for the both of you? Yeah, that is the energy. Parang hindi siya natatakot makulong. Magre-risk siya. Bakit may kulong-kulong na magaganap? Yung iba wala naman. It's just that pwedeng may conflict sa connection at the point na parang pag hinarap ko tong conflict na to, medyo grabe yung consequences. Parang gano'n. What will happen in the near future for the both of you? Those words. Okay, so you have these choices here. You have a decision. In the near future, King of Wands, maybe regarding career, regarding business, you have a decision na may kinalaman dyan. The High Priestess is here in the Six of Pentacles. I feel like some of you, spiritually, meron ka mga taong matutulungan or tutulungan talagang literal. Like maybe you will teach them something about paano mas kakaroon ng self-love, you know, or some of you, kasi medyo develop yung yung spiritual knowledge mo, so you are the one na tutulungan mo yung mga taong ito na parang paano mas magkaroon ng spiritual na pag-intindi or mag-grow sila spiritually. So part of you is that tutulungan mo sila, like maybe introducing them sa tarot advice sa YouTube, yan. Pwedeng may ma-introduce ka sa kanilang mga tarot reader in the near future. I feel like these are friends or if you are someone na medyo, you know, you own a tarot deck, or may mga alam kong spiritual, you're going to share that talent or skills dito sa, like I can see friends na nangangailangan din ng advice or tulong. So, magiging part ka nila. And then, at the same time, nandun yung with the Empress, mas marami ang hahanga sa'yo. In the near future, yeah, I can see friends na pwedeng mas makikita nila kung ano ka, and they will admire you dahil doon. So, in the near future for the sign of Virgo, sa person mo, the near future, Ten of Cups, the Hanged Man. Pagdating sa usaping pamilya, I feel like this person is no longer waiting. Yan, for example, dun sa family niya, meron siya mga bagay na hinihintay. Ano din na niya hihintayin yun in the near future. And I feel like yun, tuloy-tuloy pa rin na itong person na to, ipaglalaban niya kung ano yung nararamdaman niya or naiisip niya regarding sa'yo. So, maghihintay itong person na to, the Six of Swords. This person will move on definitely from the past, especially kung ang kakonect mo is separated or may marriage na involved, like maybe separated na siya, but he or she is already married and may mga legal matter na doon, parang ayoko na, parang ganun. Wala na akong pakialam sa ex ko talaga. I need to move on, I want to move on, that kind of energy. So, nandun yung acceptance kung ano man yung situation and kung ano man yung mga bagay na nawala na sa kanya. Okay? So, thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.